My name is Adrian. I'm currently an acting project contract manager in the Kimberley region based in Derby. I signed up with Main Roads in 2012. I think I went for my interview when I was either 15 or 16. I then went down to TAFE for 2 years and then followed on and became full-time with Main Roads as an engineering associate in the CRAD program. My fourth regional rotation was in the Kimberley region based in Derby. When I first got there, I was heavily involved in a large reseal contracts and maintenance. Back then we still had the ISA, so I was sort of working on behalf of them almost. Was able to deliver a few little projects here and there, but predominantly in heavy maintenance activities. I then decided to stay after my graduate program, so at a EA level still, and then moved on to bigger maintenance activities and things like that. And now I'm currently acting project contract manager. I've delivered 23 k's of road last year, large capital works basically under a direct contracting model, which is absolutely fantastic. I really do enjoy the model, and you can only do that in the Kimberley region. When we talk about regional, as far as the money pay benefits goes, there's a much better benefit, and that is your work-life balance. The team that you get up there, the relationships that you make. I personally prefer the small town vibe. I know a lot of people in town. I go fishing and camping most weekends. I was able to catch my first barra, which is fantastic. I was never really a fisherman before I got up there, but absolutely love it. It's just a fantastic experience, and I believe that my time there, the effort I've put in, I've got that out. So regional is really, the effort you put in is what you get out of it. I've put a lot of effort in. I've got fantastic life rewards out of it, career rewards out of it, and I'll just keep progressing, and I'll stay there for quite some time, I think, for now, but who knows what's going to happen next. But it's a great starting place to really kick off your career, depending on what field you want to go into.